beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. This is Aditorin Diaries _ kindly subscribe, like, turn on your notification buttons, and do not forget watch this video to the end, because today I'm bringing you the juice and the gist and tricks and tips on how to score band 6.5 to 9.0 in your IELTS essay writing. So let's get on with the video. When you talk about IELTS essay writing, you are basically talking about paraphrasing, summaries. The first tip to scoring a higher band is to know how to paraphrase. Paraphrasing is basically use your own synonyms, your own English, combined with your understanding to the question you are being given. To carefully read the question prompt and understand the tags. Understanding these tags is the basic point. Underlining some things that you would paraphrase. Paraphrasing is the major key to getting this great score in your IELTS at first attempt. Now, let's take this for example. The IELTS writing, the essay is into 4 parts. The first is your summary. The body takes 2 paragraphs, and then your conclusion takes 1 paragraph. So in total, you need about 4 paragraphs, not more than 4. You could stick to 3 paragraphs, but 4 is okay at maximum. That's why I use 4 paragraphs. So let's get on with answering the question. To answer this question above your screen, first of all, we'll have to analyze the question prompt. I would like us to focus on the major question here, which is discuss both views. It says discuss both views and give your opinion. So first of all, let's underline discuss both views and give your opinion, which is the focal point of the question. Now, moving forward, we will now talk about the paraphrasing part. Now, these are some ways to paraphrase. Always make sure to paraphrase your nouns and your verbs mostly. So I would paraphrase some people in the question to most people and so forth. Now, this is what I'm going to give for my first summary. Your summary should take 2 to 3 sentences at maximum. So I'm going to go with, in my opinion, it is important for children to strike a balance between sports and academic studies. Now, I just elaborated the whole question, and I'm being neutral with the question in my summary because I'm going to take a stance in my conclusion. So taking a stance in your conclusion is not really the only thing you can do. You can always take your stand in the summary, but with this question type, it's best to be neutral in the beginning and give your stance in the conclusion. So going to the body of your essay, this is what I would do. While academic studies are crucial for intellectual development, sports play a vital role in physical fitness and our overall well-being. Now, this can go for your body. This is talking about sports. You can now make another sentence for why academics is important. Now, I am going to maintain neutrality in this in answering this question because it says your opinion. In my opinion, I think both sports and academic studies is equally important. So I'm maintaining that neutrality. I would post the whole essay here and how I answered this question. Now, number 2 tip to answering this question, do not forget, always gather your thoughts on the whys. For example, gather your thoughts on why sporting activities is important. Gather your thoughts on why children should also focus on academics. Having 2 advantages or 2 disadvantages of each is always best. Now in the essay, you need to write 250 words at max, or 150 most times. So you have to work on your vocabulary, read a lot, find a lot of vocabulary at the back of your mind so that you can readily go for it when you need it to, and then you don't get stuck. Plan your essay, create a structure. The structure is the paragraphs I've given you all. Your summary takes one paragraph, 2 to 3 sentences at max for your summary. Your body takes 2 paragraphs. That's the first body, the second body, and then your conclusion comes at last. So thank you all for joining today. Do well to turn on your notification button, subscribe, like, share this video. You may have someone who needs to hear this. And keep watching, stay tuned. We have more interesting videos coming up your way. Stay blessed.